Greetings and welcome to my channel, View from my Desktop. We here at View from my Desktop like to show affordable hi-fi equipment that sounds nice and is at a budget price. So let's get started. Okay, it's just an unboxing of the Fosi Audio. Fosi Audio DA2120C. Comes with a little manual. RCA, a PC interface, USB, and optical. One of the ranges of our guide. It has this remote. This is sort of like some type of standard remote now. They have a lot of remotes to look a lot like this. Okay, port for the adapter. Here's the adapter. 32 volts, 5 amps. I think that's a standard, that's a common size adapter. It has this long antenna. This is a little bit larger than the other plastic amplifiers. DA2120C. DA2120C. On and off switch. Select the switch. Back, PC USB, Bluetooth, optical, coaxial, RCA, sub-out, speakers, and DC 24 to 36 volt. Okay. Just want to get plugged up probably tomorrow, and we will see how these sound. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.